Hello, this is the first time you're able to see me. I am Daisy. I am not the site, but it's okay. Because you guys are about to be the site when y'all go running around looking like Dobby. Because that's fun to do. So, of course, you were gifted a lovely little palette from your lovely library. And today I will be helping you guys with a step-by-step instruction guide on how to do Dobby the house elf from Harry Potter. So a lot of this is just contouring. So we got you more of natural color palettes. Some of them are different. Some of them aren't. Yeah. Don't fucking mind. Okay. So for starters, I'm going to start off with the nose contour. So you're going to take your shade right here, the darkest brown you have, and you're going to take it and you're going to outline the sides of your nose. You may need mirrors and you may have to turn your head for this, but you're just going to start outlining the nose. Just like that. Now at first you may not see a difference, but once we get down to the bottom ridge of the nose, you will start to see one. I have another reference. I have a couple of reference pictures up because I really don't want to mess up. But I've done this so many times already. So you're just going to like contour this part of your nose just to kind of make it look bigger. You see that it kind of almost looks like it doesn't do anything, but just trust me, in the long run it does. And then of course you'll do it on the other side as well, and you're just contouring that bottom part of your nose and then blending it up into the rest of it, just like that. And then soon you'll start to have a bigger nose shape, because his nose is fairly big. And of course you want to thin it out when you get to the top. It's going to go from very short at the top to very big at the bottom, just like that. And then once you have that finished, you're going to take that same brown and you're going to contour this bottom part of your nose to make it look like it's pointing upward, just like that. Not a big deal, but it is to me. So after that, you're going to take same brown. We're doing the same brown for the nose. You're going to take that same brown and you're going to put an arch right here in your nose, just to make it kind of look like it's creasing just a bit. If you do this too dark, you can always blend out with your finger, and that'll just make the effect that maybe your nose is going a little bit more upward, just like that. Okay, so after that, Dobby has some sort of like wart on his nose. You're just gonna contour that in too, because you know, contouring and blending is key. Mine is not gonna be that good because I can't do circles for the love of me, but that's how mine turned out. And then after that, you can go ahead and blend the nostrils out a little bit to kind of make them disappear just a bit. So once you have that done, we will move on to the contour of the cheeks. So Dobby's face goes like outward and it's very oblong. That's the only way I can put it nicely. I'm sorry. So what you're gonna do is you are going to take this middle pigment right here, and we're going to start the contour of the face. What you're gonna do is you're just gonna follow your natural line down the face. And then when you get to about right there, sorry, I have a nose itch. When you get to about right here on your face, you're going to take a little bit more because I didn't have enough on my brush. And you're going to bring it downward. So that way it brings out the effect that your face is like that. Yeah, that is perfection. It's really not. Taking that same color, you're just going to do the same thing down the other side. My cheekbones are very weird, so they don't go perfectly, but they go perfect enough for me. Most people's cheekbones I don't think are like that, so don't worry about it. If you have to, just squeeze your cheeks in. to get that little crease. But of course, you want this to be a very dramatic effect. Hold on, it needs just a little more. So, once you have that done, and your face is all contoured out, you're going to start with the eye bags, which I am doing with this color right here, right by the color we just used for the nose. So, once I have that, I'm going to take it and I'm doing the eye bags, and you're just going to fill in the bottom of the eye, just like that. You know, you might have a little bit of excess from the others on the brush, but it's okay, because it's literally all natural colors. So, it's not going to look bad. You know, you're just going to contour that in. Just like that. See, look at my eye bags. More prominent because I never get sleep. It's only 8 o'clock here, so I promise I'm not staying up that late to do this. I do have algebra homework after this. We don't talk about that. But you're gonna make sure them eye bags are in there. And then once you feel comfortable with the eye bags, just like that, you're going to take this color right here in the middle, and you're going to brush that on your waterline. Now my waterline is a wreck, but that's okay, because this is makeup. I almost said it's not a fashion show, but it kind of is. So once you have that done, it's just gonna darken right there. And then after you have your base down for your eye bags, you're gonna go in with that same nose contour color, and you're going to put it in there, just a little more. And then once you have that done, your eye bag should be pretty complete. Yeah. And then once you're finished with that, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do around the mouth wrinkles. So, taking the same contour we used for the cheeks, we're going to follow. You see how you have those lines right there? You're gonna follow those lines. Wrong color. Oh my goodness. You're gonna follow those lines. They're natural, and you know, they're gonna make you look old. See? And you know, you're gonna bring those down to wherever you feel comfortable with. And as you can see, they're not that good at first. That's okay. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna clean off your brush on your leg, or a paper towel if you wanna ask for it. You're just gonna blend it out. And then, once you blend it out, I look like a creep doing this. Blend it out with your finger. Boom. And then, you got that like little old man effect going on. So after that, we're gonna take the nose contour, and we're gonna do lines out, protruding out from the nose. These are gonna be very thin, very subtle, but they're gonna be there. Just like that. Boom. And then, once you have that done, you're just gonna add a little bit more wrinkle right here. Like, you see where my actual eye bag is, you're gonna add a little wrinkle right there. Because, yeah, he got them bags. This is still with the same contour we used for the nose as well. So, just saying. Once you have that finished, though, you're going to do the little, he has like crow's feet, you know what I mean? You know what I mean. Like that old person crow's feet. I am sorry for any elderly person I just offended there. But we're going to take the same contour we used for the nose, and we're going to draw those thin lines out to make that old man effect. Because, you know, he kind of do look like an old man. Yeah, and you're gonna want to squint a little bit when you do this. And you know, Dobby is not a perfect character, so if they don't turn out perfect, it's really not that big of a deal. See? And then, once you have that done, we're gonna finish off the eyes. So you're gonna take this color right here, right by your nose contour. You know what you're gonna do? You're just gonna fill in that line right there. See, you're gonna wanna like block it out a little bit, you know? Just like that. I really hope I'm making sense, because sometimes I'm just a mindless babbler. Now clearly we couldn't block out the eyebrows, because, you know, that takes effort. And we're getting an A for effort. Or at least I am. You guys are probably going to do a lot better than me, because I love y'all and I think y'all are amazing. But after you have that done, you're going to go in with your dark. Same for the nose contour, and you're just going to cut that crease. Boom. Gives your eyes a dramatic sunken effect. His eyes are kind of protruding, but they also look sunken at the same time. I don't know. He looks 12 and 40 at the same time. I am dishing out the sass. I am so sorry. Of course, he kind of has like this little thing going on right here. And, you know, just take any color you really want to. It doesn't really matter. And you're gonna just put that in there. I chose the same color right here. But yeah. And then once you're done with that, we are going to do the head wrinkles. Hey, forehead wrinkle gang. I already have forehead wrinkles, so I'm gonna just outline those. See how I did that? And I have that right there. Taking the same contour we used for the nose. And I'm just gonna, yes, perfect. Old man time. Old man time. Okay. See, now we have that done, and we can do the rest. And then, you're just gonna get into it. It's like, period. And you know, I'm just gonna go in for it. I can't even see. I'm doing this all off my phone, ladies and gents. But you know, it going pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. It's doing pretty good. The forehead wrinkles don't have to be perfect. He straight up looks like a saggy old man. So, just keep that in mind while you're doing this. You don't have to be perfect, but they have to be there. 'Cause you know. See, look at how amazing that looks. Okay. Once you're done with the forehead wrinkles, I'm gonna go in and I'm just gonna deepen mine a little bit with this color right here. I'm gonna add a little bit more detailing to like right here. Also, since these are from the Dollar General, you're gonna have to like really press to get that pigment, which is okay because it still has pigment. So, see, I'm just gonna go in and I'm just gonna press that in there. Perfection. And then, yeah. Clearly, this is gonna be covered up by my hair anyway, so. But just follow your forehead wrinkles. It won't be that hard, I promise. But just for a little more effect, you're gonna take your same nose contour. That's literally the only thing we've been using. And you're gonna do circles, like little half moons right here, and then you're just gonna bring it up to your hairline. And that kind of gives your face a little bit more of a sunken look. Ish. I don't know. We're really striving for old man because that's straight up what Dobby looks like. He looks like my grandfather. So, yeah, you're just going to do the same moon thing on this side. Make sure it's in there good. Make sure, because if not, you know, it's not going to look right. Me. And then once you're done with it, it should look a little bit like that. And you know, after you have that done, you can take your hair down, you can look at yourself in the mirror, you can go, Dobby is a free elf. And that's it. That's all you gotta do. Just gotta make yourself look like an old man. Peace out. I hope you all have a wonderful time at this party. I'm probably not gonna be attending because I'll be at home taking a nap. But peace out, everybody.